Our group will build Minangkabau replica's house. This is the project sketch. The issues that we had to face is the pollution which is caused by trash that had been thrown everywhere, such as ice cream sticks that had been used. The material that we need for this project is ice cream stick, watercolor, and hot glue.
The main objective is we can solve issue of environment pollution. We can show the model of Minangkabau to young generation. We can make replica as a decoration at house. This is a cost of the project. Ice cream stick, 10 ringgit, hot glue, 12 ringgit, and bancho watercolor cost is 12 ringgit. So the total of Minangkabau's replica is 34 ringgit.